Imagine a world where investment decisions aren't just about profits, but also about the planet and its people. Welcome to an era where we're not just talking about financial portfolios, but about a broader aesthetic of life and the world we inhabit. This isn't a fantastic futuristic concept. No, it's a present reality, an epoch marked by a trend that is increasingly transforming the global financial landscape. We are in the era of ESG investing, a revolutionary concept that is not just reshaping the economic world, but also steering us towards a more environmentally friendly, sustainable future. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance. These are the three central factors that measure the sustainability and societal impact of an investment in a business or company. In recent years, ESG investing has undergone an unprecedented surge in popularity, proving that it's not just a buzzword or a passing trend. ESG is fundamentally transforming the investment landscape, pushing the boundaries of what was previously thought to be the sterile realm of stocks and bonds. It is revolutionizing the way investors, both big and small, view their investments. It is no longer just about maximizing profits, but also about recognizing the importance of sustainable practices, social responsibility, and ethical governance. Not only is ESG investing making waves in the investing realm, but it's also making a substantial impact on global markets. A Reuters article published in December 2021 reveals an astonishing trend. Stocks of companies rated highly for their sustainability efforts have seen record gains this particular year. The MSCI World ESG Leaders Index, which tracks the performance of companies with high ESG ratings, saw a rise of 23%. This was a notable achievement, outperforming the MSCI World Index's return of 14.4%. It is a performance that has not only turned heads, but also directed a massive inflow of capital into ESG stocks. According to the report, global sustainable funds have already seen a record inflow of $508 billion in the first 3 quarters of the year. This influx of funds, driven primarily by the stellar performance of ESG stocks, has brought the total assets under management to a staggering $3.9 trillion. This isn't just a minor shift in the financial sphere, it's a financial revolution, a sea change in the way we perceive and approach investing. This shift is not just about the allocation of financial resources, but it's also about collective global responsibility, about creating a world that's not just profitable, but also sustainable and equitable. So here we are, standing at the precipice of this monumental shift, witnessing a trend that could forever change the face of investing and global economics as a whole. We are part of a movement, an era that values the earth we live on, the people we share it with, and the principles we govern our businesses with. Welcome to the era of ESG investing, where we are not just investing in companies, but also in our planet, our people, and our future. Global sustainable funds have already seen a record inflow of $508 billion in the first 3 quarters of the year, reaching a staggering $3.9 trillion in assets under management. But it's not all smooth sailing. ESG isn't immune to criticism and controversy. In fact, there have been numerous instances where the ESG market has been questioned and put under the microscope. A notable example of this happened in September 2022 when New York City Comptroller Brad Lander publicly questioned BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, over its climate commitments. BlackRock, a colossal player in the finance world, found itself in the middle of a controversy. Known for its widespread reach and massive influence, BlackRock had recently made headlines for its promises to prioritize climate change. However, Brad Lander's skeptical inquiry into the reality of these commitments stirred up a substantial amount of debate and discussion within the financial community. His main point of contention was that asset managers like BlackRock cannot claim climate risk as a systemic financial risk, while not taking any substantial steps to mitigate the risks that climate change poses to its investments. This argument raises a question that is central to the entire ESG investing philosophy. Can financial entities truly be considered sustainable if they are not actively taking measures to reduce their environmental impact? This is a question that critics of ESG investing have been asking for years. They argue that firms cannot merely pay lip service to the concept of sustainability while continuing business as usual. This sentiment has been echoed by numerous experts, analysts, and thought leaders in the field of sustainable investment. Despite these, the march towards ESG investing continues. It is an undeniable reality that the world is becoming more aware of the need for responsible investing. As a result, many financial entities are now taking proactive steps to address the issues raised by and skeptics. One such firm is BNY Mellon, a multinational banking and financial services corporation based in New York. Recognizing the increasing demand for ESG investments, BNY Mellon has taken it upon themselves to tackle one of the biggest in this field, the lack of reliable and consistent data. As reported by Business Insider in January 2021, BNY Mellon has developed a groundbreaking tool to address this issue. This tool aims to bring consistency and clarity to the definition of sustainable investments. By doing this, BNY Mellon hopes to create a more transparent and reliable framework for ESG investing. To put the scale of this endeavor into perspective, BNY Mellon's innovative tool covers 2.4 million securities. This level of coverage is virtually unprecedented in the ESG market, offering investors an unparalleled level and insight into their sustainable investments. With this tool, BNY Mellon is paving the way for future developments in ESG investing. It is a testament to the belief that with the right tools and the right mindset, it is possible to create a financial system that is both profitable and sustainable. No doubt, this tool will become an essential resource for investors looking to contribute to the ESG market. This innovative tool covers 2.4 million securities, providing investors with the transparency they need to contribute to the ESG market. So, what's the key takeaway from all this? The phenomenon of ESG investing is not just a passing phase. It fundamentally redefines how we approach the world of finance, integrating ethical principles, sustainable practices, and social accountability into the investment paradigm. As such, it represents a significant shift, not only in the financial realm but also as a reflection of broader societal change. We are witnessing a transformation that molds the financial world into a mirror image of society's growing commitment to sustainability and ethical considerations. ESG investing is an innovative concept, yet it is deeply rooted in the core principles of responsible investing. It's a fresh approach, combining the traditional metrics of financial performance with the less tangible, yet equally crucial elements of environmental, social, and governance factors. This comprehensive strategy ensures that investments are channeled towards companies that not only generate profits, but also contribute positively to society and the environment. The impact of ESG investing transcends the confines of the financial world. From the way corporations are run to the decisions consumers make, from the policies governments implement to the future we shape for the next generations, ESG investing is reshaping our reality. It encourages businesses to become more transparent, promotes ethical labor practices, leads to the conservation of natural resources, and fosters innovation in sustainable technologies. The power of ESG investing lies in its potential to influence and drive change. It's a tool that empowers individuals and institutions alike to make a difference, to contribute to a cleaner, fairer, and more sustainable world through their investment choices. Each decision to invest in a company that respects environmental, social, and governance criteria is a conscious step towards creating a brighter future for all. As you traverse through this fascinating world of ESG investing, we extend an invitation to join us in this journey. Your active engagement is what drives us to create content that is not just informative but also enriching. If you found this video insightful, we urge you to show your appreciation by hitting the like button. Your likes indicate that we are succeeding in our mission to educate and inspire. Moreover, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for regular updates on ESG investing and other financial trends. We consistently strive to bring you the latest insights and developments in this dynamic field. A subscription to our channel is your ticket to staying on top of the rapidly evolving world of finance. We hope to foster a community of like-minded individuals who believe in the power of conscious investing, a community that understands the profound impact of our financial decisions on the world we live in, a community that chooses wisely because every decision matters. This is the era of conscious investing. Join us as we explore this fascinating world, and remember, every investment decision is a step towards shaping our world. Choose wisely.